Okay, it's Ron here at the beach in the next part of the testing process for the brand new DJI Air 2S 1-inch sensor camera drone. What we're going to do here is we're going to get it set up initially. We've already done the firmware update at home. We put the propellers on. We've put a memory card in it, but we're going to format the memory card. We're going to do some calibrations here. We got kind of it's a pretty day here at the beach, as you can see, but it's a little windy here, so I hear under good authority this is pretty good in the wind, so we'll have to check it out. Of course, the first Air 2 was also good in the wind. So with no further ado, let's get everything fired up. I'm going to do a screen recording to walk you through a lot of the steps here as far as getting things set up for the first time. Okay, so sit back, get a cool beverage, and let's go. I always hold these small drones up in the air when I first start them up, because I don't want the camera calibration to fail because it's hitting the pad and uneven surface like the sand. So I hold up, and that helps a lot. With several of my drones holding up, doing the initial calibration. I learned that from the Mavic 2 Pro. Alright, so let me start my screen recording here. Alrighty, I've started screen recording here, and I've done dual recording sound to see which one is the best. So let's go back to the fly app here. Okay, now set the aircraft, switch to SD card. Yes, we're going to switch this to the micro SD card here. And then once we switch it, first thing we're going to do is go into the menu system and go over to camera, and we're going to go down to the bottom someplace where it says format cards. Okay, we're formatting the card right now. Okay, we don't need to format the internal storage because it's a brand new drone. It's never been touched there. So I don't think I quite hit it right here. Let's hit it again here. Format, I did not hit it. I did not choose SD card. My bad. So format, here we go. Okay, we've cleared out 116 gigabytes of available thing here. So, okay, while we're in here, we're going to cache the recording. We'll go with the standard 2 gigabytes here. Auto bounce, we'll keep auto bounce on, white bounce auto for right now. Peaking level, yeah, we'll turn peaking on normal so we know what's going on. Grid lines, we've got those on. Let's go overexposure warning. Let's turn our histogram on. Histogram is it measures the light by that. I could go on ever about histogram, but the histogram measures how much light's coming to the camera. Okay, up here, color. Okay, normal. D-Log or HLG. I'm going to go normal right now. We'll start out normal. Format, let's go MOV. I'm a Mac guy, so it's a popular format over there. Okay, let's go back to safety first, and we're going to keep the obstacle avoidance on brake for right now. Maximum altitude, they put it really high there. Oh, that's good, and maximum distance is good. Auto return home is a little bit high, but we'll keep it. It's really nothing around here. We're going to keep it more like 272. Update home point. It will do that when I take off. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to do a compass calibration here. So, okay, let's start the calibration right now. Yeah, I'm spinning around real good here. Okay, it says the compass calibration was successful. Alright, so yeah, it has an IMU here, and I don't have a flat level surface, so I'm not going to do the IMU right now. I'll do that at home later. Usually, you don't have a problem with that right away, but I'll be careful, right when we start off. The battery info. Okay, I know I don't have a completely full battery here because I was doing the firmware updates and everything for it. So, okay, let's go back to that panel again here. Let's see. Okay, we covered kind of okay, unlock user zones, auto, find my drone, advanced safety settings here. Okay, I'm going to turn on air sets. Enable now. AirSense, sees other aircraft in the, around you. If they have it on, they notify you. AirSense is, I could talk about that forever. Find my drone. Okay, start flashing the beacon using the mouse. Okay, that's all we kind of turned on. Okay, let me go over the camera again. Did we, where is the ability to calibrate the gimbal here? I don't quite know where that is. Image transmission, we'll just keep it standard. We've already done all the updates. Alright, you look pretty set up okay for the first flight here. I'm going to go H265 since it's a smaller file. So I think I've got everything kind of ready. Video, which we're going to keep it on normal and slow motion. We're going to keep it on normal for right now. I'm going to go down here now where you would set this before you set this up. We're going to keep it on 4K 30 right now, and you can hit this auto button and get all the manual stuff. We're going to keep it auto right at the beginning here. So let's go for a automatic takeoff from the button on the left hand side. See how we're doing here. We have let's check our satellites and ever. We have 25 satellites. Well, that's the satellites I've ever seen, and I've already checked. Before you fly, there's no warnings of any kind, no flight restrictions here, and I've checked the winds, and the winds are fine to fly to. It's breezy here, but it's not telling me not to fly in the UAV forecast app. So here we go, folks. With no further ado, as they say, on TV. So using the that circle thing. Okay, here's first flight of the DJI Air 2S. So she pulled up there. You see her struggle a little bit in the wind there. It's always breezy here at the beach too. So, and let's see here. Let's see if we can bring the EV just a little bit. Get rid of those. There we go. Get rid of some of those overexposure warnings. So let's kind of go up now. Looks like she's stable. Okay, she seems pretty fast going up. She seems a little faster than the Air 2. Alright, we're going to watch it do a return to home here. Alright, let's see if she can find a landing pad. Alright, I don't know if she can find it. It says unsuitable for landing here. So let's hit that, let's cancel that. Let's bring it in ourselves.